Hi guys, in today's video I'll explain you how to set it up Google Ads conversion tracking for your Webflow website. Here the form, and we want to track it. And first thing what you need to do is to create Google Tag Manager. After creating Google Tag Manager account, you want to go to the admin and go to the install Google Tag Manager. Here Google provides you with the code. You just want to copy the code. So there are two sections of the code, one of the head and one of the body. Let's copy the first part and go to the Webflow website dashboard. So here we have, let me show you from the dashboard view. You're gonna have something like this on your dashboard. You just want to click on the site settings, go to the custom code. Here, you're gonna see the headline, which says head code. You want to put the first part in here. And the second part, you want to put it in here on the footer code. So let's copy the second part of it. And let's just put it on the footer code. And click on save. Don't forget to click on save on the head. After installing, after pasting two parts of the code, just let's test it. Let's copy the domain name and let's just test it. It might take 1 or 2 hours to verify it, but as you can see here, mine says verified. Next thing what we want to do is go to the workspace and let's create a new tag. So let's name our tag the Google Ads conversion tracking. So in tag before configuring the tag, let's go over the Google Ads, go to Tools and Settings, Measurement Conversions, press on New Conversion Action. You want to press on a website and just include your domain name in order to Google Ads to scan it. After the scanning, Google will provide you with adding manual conversion. So what we want to optimize is, we want to optimize, in our case, for contact. We want more leads to our form. Let's name the conversion the form submissions. Let's go over the value. We want to use the same value for each conversion because we are tracking the form submissions. You can just put 1 as the value of the submission. It will not affect Google Ads campaign. And when it comes to the count of the conversions, we want to use 1 because we have form submissions, and every form submission going to be counted as a 1. In terms of the sales, if you are doing the sales on your website, you want to use every. Let's click on Done. Let's save and continue. After setting up, you're going to see 3 options to set it up with the Google Tag. We're going to use Google Tag Manager to set it up. You're going to have 2 numbers here, the Google Conversion ID and the form submissions. Let's go over the Google Tag Manager and let's click on the tag configuration. Let's choose the Google Ads and Google Ads conversion tracking. So in conversion ID, let's put our conversion ID. And on conversion label, let's just put our conversion label. Now, you don't have to fill out the conversion value or currency code, but we need to add the trigger. So our trigger gonna be the form submission on the home page. So let's go over Google Tag Manager. Let's click on triggering. Let's choose the new trigger. In here, we want to name the trigger the form submission trigger. And choose on configure. Let's choose the form submissions and just use the sum forms. You can use the page path when choosing the form submissions. And when it's the home page, you can just use the slash over here. And it's gonna track the form submissions, any form submission from your home page. Click on save. After setting up this trigger, let's click on save. And then you want to preview. Let's connect. Let's fill out the form. This is the test. So after the submission, let's go over the tag assistant. As you can see here, the tags is fired. Our Google Ads conversion tracking is fired. So based off of that, we know that our conversion tracking is working properly. Thank you so much for watching. And if you need me to set it up your Google Ads conversion tracking for free, just reach me out on the link below.